Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
Hey guys, welcome back to Sissy Spaces. In today's video, we're cleaning and organizing my fridge, as well as providing you with some fridge organization and storage tips. Lastly, we're ending this video with a grocery haul from Sam's, but first I need to get a cup of coffee and clear these dishes out of the sink. Now that the sink is clean, let's get started on the fridge. I'm using 2 microfiber cloths, one dry and the other wet, with Dawn dish detergent and warm water.
Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
The fridge is not in terrible shape, but it does have an odor. I left an onion in there while we were on vacation and thawed some chicken. I'm not sure which is the culprit, but after removing both, it still had an odor, so I decided to give it a good cleaning instead. By the way, this is a JennAir 42-inch panel-ready built-in counter depth fridge. It has 6 soft close drawers, 6 glass shelves, and 6 utility bins. 2 of the utility bins hold gallon-sized containers, and the remaining 4 hold 2-liter bottles.
Hey, say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get.
I also forgot to mention that the utility bins, they come with these liners, which prevent the items from moving around.
Oh, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue, leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on a.
I use these containers in my crisper drawers to separate my items and organize them. They're from the Home Edit line, and you can purchase them from Walmart. One tip though, make sure you measure your drawers so they can fit.
Love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside. Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream. Keep on dreaming about us, baby. Yeah. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean
soft close crisper drawers, so it was very important that I reinstall them correctly. Later I found that I didn't do this to one drawer and it was stuck until I fixed it.
I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself. You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you, care of you, care of you. This is what we need, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Maybe you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should.
Now that the top of the fridge is clean, let's go ahead and clean the freezer. Again, the freezer's not bad at all, but I figure since I cleaned the top, I might as well clean the bottom.
Breakups leave the scars, you don't need to be ashamed. Everyone.
This is the ice dispenser tray. We don't use it because we refrigerate most of our beverages. Also, it saves us on the cost of replacing a water filter.
You can put on your dress, dance into your favorite song.
You can remove this liner if you want to clean it, but I don't do that anymore because it's a pain to put it back in there.
This is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Maybe you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body.
Now that the fridge is clean, my goal today is to go purchase groceries. But before doing that, I want to show you guys this quick 2-minute oatmeal recipe. Unfortunately, though, it turned into a 3-minute oatmeal recipe because I put too much water in it.
The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body.
I always add 1/3 cup of brown sugar, pecans, and chocolate chips to my oatmeal. I know, it's a lot of sugar. That's why my husband calls me Sweet Tooth Annie.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me.
While eating breakfast, I'm making my grocery list. I'm only purchasing items that we need, and I'm also staying within the budget because grocery prices have gotten out of hand. I only stopped at Sam's today and picked up a few things such as hamburger buns, bread, beef sausages, bacon, mozzarella sticks, chicken strips, mangoes, cuties, and grapes.
Like, what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still.
When I arrived home, I was so excited to see my husband was prepping chicken and ribs for dinner because guess what? I had not planned to cook anything for dinner. And that's probably why we've been married so long.
Show me your love like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
If you haven't tried a mango before, give it a try. I'm telling you, it is delicious. They are a great source of vitamin A, folate, and fiber. And they're also good for colon cancer and heart disease and weight control. So give it a try.
Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
If you made it this far in the video, I want to thank you for watching Sissy Spaces. And please hit that like and subscribe button and share this channel with your family and friends. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.